Tomato fans exclusive. But as this one panda. Often automatic nyimbo yanyina ituba.
Zikuda.
Tides over though chita the content heading ngeza litera chimashele.
But don't the content Facebook ndio raka man. Namseno ndichivunga mashonda wana. Yo ndiya copyright yanga nemona.
Story ufunda ma apply kana na same.
Mfunda mani apply sizone bari ngotswa sizwanu.
Ngoto ni popular ni chidiba mazipi oni farao. Vatu no bafaraho ndibone ndira dzanu boboti farao.
Ndangwendera ombera parelo.
Ya akumbira farelo ri azvifire.
Ya. Cheka nindira no farao. Kwamba nezvino bewendo ni pachikala namba zisambi. Kwamba nezvino
muna mudzi vazori latalidzwa lwambara cap. For sure zvambulo ngalichibvura lwa there, lichikwa there.
Ni andi. Kwamba nezvino anichitu.
What up everybody? You know what it is 94 Pro Mangenge. Mr. Aubreaction go yeah. Rodane pass asintomore. Panda Lois. Nature Louis Sophia as Louis in the Lois. Panda Lois Richard.
Louis Richard.
Kezo Louis Richard. Doro bangane pa Louis Richard. Komsa chivurwa pa na musi. Ndo vaninge vuani ndasvika hapa. Sabana gulizwa ona mukara taxi rodzura ndafana behind uchiko baba rumwe. Kama zonga manda. Basonga zonga mbronga ngeli na art photographer. Na if you want anything nzozo kwamana na mapungwa zi music video. Whatever zonja kwa video na zi poster yaito la munna bangamkwama. Na unyana batsina yene pai. Urwana music video itazote so batoro nanga zoba kwa guy.
Baba kwa mola munna. Nego do filia dura.
Yeah, melna muchuchu mpapuli. So before comes to cha panda ne echifancha mpapuli echi china busanda ngangom because namsanda bompapuli
china digare mini ndibathu bazi royalty ngani gain and ndichi to check utsa zvabudi asi vathu na tofi babvanga ngeno vathu na babvanga ngebo budzimu ngani ngeni so bapfela ngane tizone the culture ne deep bashikwenga nge pasi mara zvinji ndo dzibone nda yeso do pia ola ukunamba mara zvivera ngani ngei
so ukoera bosi
ukoera bosi and mini mara bampapuli vathu vachiva zvidiva ndi vathu na vore babazi royalty ndi vathu na baba na dzichelede kaleni so nanai I've seen namasho manje na pamandombije na vore ana ndiampapuli tobanti zvino zvithu zviada zvapera so I'm trying to revive it as much as I can
and then I revive ngai so uko for buhosi ashango ngasibulwero do no wazi beat na
zvenda kona zona
so talking about your name Adroitbeatz, right? Not in the Android in that was for so yes Android in the as Android in the
my robot.
So let's talk about the name. One of Android in your Dumao.
The Garmini. I think back in 2010, not the Rustenburg. I was in Rustenburg. So while I was in Rustenburg, after 2010, I wanna take the music seriously. So that's the Mizophyll, the Swiss. That's finally a tangle of Swiss beats. That I ngorela tangana Z. Yanga Adroitbeatz Swiss as American Swiss you know.
Okay.
So from 2010 2011 dabadu ko buya ngena yana. I think June nenge. So dabadi na mumngano wanga muzana. Shout out to her. Yeah, she's my friend. Just friend. Shout out to her. So ndawori ka exit. Ndishile chimwe cha exit back then. Zalanga la chifi Adroit.
Okay.
Exit.
Zondo
le wana guy that this one at Japan. So olongana why don't you change your name from Swiss to Adroit? Since you're making beats, why don't you just say Adroitbeatz? But make it unique. So I was like, okay. But Jaraj being Adroit, I had to go inside and check and okay, Adroit at least lena meaning wabudi. It means one has to be skillful or be open-minded about whatever that you're doing. So I was like, okay, cool. No, scratch this thing. Arivisa in a baby mini. And a bit of Adroitbeatz. So from there I was like, no, it's fine. Number of shims Adroit. I'm no mazina carbona. So la number load the way you want Android, Eldroid, landlord young guy, Johnny's back actually Eldroid. So I was like, it's fine. As long as you Android, it's fine.
But pronunciation ya hukumandi if you're not fanga ni mune
Adroit. Adroit.
Oh, inadi. Yes, why Adroit.
That is no mambele but more Adroit.
More Adroit.
More Adroit, more AD. So baji chonore Adroit ya balo number 3. AD.
Zinga Litgang.
Yeah.
Kandere ngolo nga Litgang.
But we are the giving. Ever since the giving, I was bitiza mahara. It was a lead. No man, guys, in the gang. So we had to take the A, take out the space, and then say about Litgang. And it came with, I think it's nearly than in a Romeo.
Okay.
Every time when we in studio, I was in Western area. So every time would say, hey, I'm a little bitly lit. You know Romeo and son. Fairly bitly liting Amanda, man. Fana man to a lit manning. I wonder, okay, lit man. So this day I was sitting, the designer. Unaila emoji ya 100. So ndancha ila 100 ndachana mitara sarela mitara miwili. Ndaipe hapo ndo ndangolo Litgang. Wala merchandise wabo merchandise mumu wabudi ngamanda. So nambara no. I think my company is going to be Litgang Entertainment.
So Mangenge and it's kind of like it's different, like it's way different.
Yeah.
As if it's unique and
andira yayo. Yeah. Namsere register arongo bana problem. Yuri abantu bapangale Litgang ba jena 3. But one live fresh, live clean. Register you are clean, but as tax rate as well. So
it's a company.
It's a company. It's a company.
So talking about company, do you think you're expensive? And then it was your bank.
No, I'm not. I don't think I'm not. I think I'm even undercharging my services. Yeah. Because in Johannesburg we used to charge for like. Yeah. Sorry guys. Sorry. Badina.
Take it out. Take it out.
Take it out. Take it out. But I saw in another interview, AKO was like talking.
Yeah,
then they didn't have any problem.
You will choose.
Whatever that's
whatever you do. Whatever that is perfect. You're not going to buy expensive because a lot of people. I got a call yesterday from Queen Pop. I'm sure you know her.
Yeah, I know her.
She called me because Romeo interview we're about to drop it now. She was like, yo, I've been working with these guys, but I feel like my sound is not valid. I was like, but there's Adroit there. She was like, problem, I can't afford him. He's good, whatever, but for me, it's expensive. For me, he's expensive. I can't afford him. So now, do you think you're expensive? And then
I think affordability by underestimate because the price is the price taro.
Yeah.
The price is the the price is student. The price is normal. The price is national.
Okay.
National and I am best about so it's too high. So as I was saying, in Johannesburg we were charging for like I think in 2016 we were charging 450 when you come with your own beat.
Okay.
In 2016.
Just to record.
Yeah, with your own beat. If you don't have your own beat, it was like 1.5.
Okay.
Or recorder fades.
Yeah.
And there's this thing called the exclusive rights, the separate.
Yeah.
There, I used to make around, let's say a month I would make 10 to 15K a month.
Yeah.
Because when I was on fit separate, if you try that, I never beat exclusive price. I think the first beat I sold there was 2,000. My first beat in the ring, just got Johannesburg. My first time, just got Johannesburg. Yeah. So it was 2,000, and then from 2,000 to 3,000. So people will say, okay, we don't understand these other beats are the best thing on our beat. So how can we pay to take it out? Yeah. I was like, okay, the same amount here, but a beat. So they didn't have any problem. So I think my mentality, what was a little meaning? People can afford me. So when I came to vendor, I was like, no, vendor. Let me
target market.
Yeah, but quality I say compromise. Even if you try that 500. There's no problem. Still is the same thing.
Yeah, as long as
negotiate your So when you say I'm expensive in Satramba, it's a problem. It's like saying Gucci Adura, but you've never been into the Gucci store.
Yeah.
Yeah. But I wouldn't say coming out of time when they expensive. But if you want something that's quality, you have to pay. Quality as a camera. Even no negotiate abanyagi.
Yeah.
Arachivaji camera ndi 26,000. Don't 26,000. But our officer randi inche because it's what I want.
Yeah.
So I think people just no ola mna wadura kana ela uti adura service. But if you talk to me, I work with a lot of guys now, they don't even pay me full price.
Yeah,
but because
just negotiations or
and no remote talent we very
can I benefit from this person?
And what I know is that I can never be a billionaire and I don't know the vendor. I'm just trying to push as much as I can, but there'll be time where I'm not gonna be available vendor. So I'm trying to make Kunya go the one I'm with to towards planet season. I'm stop post story, guys. I'm working on going to Europe.
Yeah,
going to Dubai. So I don't think the expensive. I think there was a day rekwamba ka Facebook nikwamba nela uchifinya uti ya baba nikomela cherede.
Baba lab map.
Yeah, it was like no, I think you overprice, you're overcharging, you're undercharging yourself. And ni mshumwanu wa dura mara price yandi tuku.
Yeah, I love that guy. He pays. I love it.
Yeah. So la muna kwambra no mshumwanu wa dura mara
yeah, on the blind. But let's talk about this, nah. Like there's no need about the if you continue to beat in a I'm buying a beat. Do you also monitor or who's also gonna master the vocals kinds of first one? If I beat.
No, I
buy flop or then
I do monitor.
Okay.
Because most of the time zinela tusazane mutada na beat yawe ada record ngeno zviyakodanyano re ndi matchise the vocal na beat. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. Nikona uri beat tamwe yo richivanga yavanga 32 beat. Ngeno the vocals zanga zika 64. So zvichitangana na quality na unoro angu shumisa sound card ushumisa mixara. Beat yengovanga sound card. Kan negovanga sound card. Most of the time 90% ndibe honest beat zanga tizi mix tizi master.
Okay. So good.
Ngomvisa like when I make my beats, I already know uri kiki kutoba kabu guy, DB, the strings, and I'm using quality things, and I pay for this stuff.
Yeah.
People would think, no, I pay. But subscription, unazi arcade, the one arcade in the stop because I know if I use this sound, I'm going to produce another issue sound. So I pay most of my stuff, especially the native instrument, the contract, the next, as obvious and is pirate. But as issue me ufanana as original. But most of the time we do pay, we do buy cymatics and drum kits because we want quality.
Yeah, we never
so I think I think Belafonte. So what they did is that they recorded Oranga beat Lamon.
Okay.
Yeah, I recorded you and send it. And I was like, no man, I think the vocal is not the weak amount. All I'm not vocal sound one vocal zinga. Wala mno recorders
too much.
So ela direct gabando rwanayo digabado thomanga Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and as far as apano nzo zikotobuya. Ndicho sendela bana bare muna thangi sharp. Very sharp but right thangi sharp. But okay, do what you got to do. Ndabe chendo to mixer. Then I did everything I touch. Wala mna bara mna chuna chuna crispy now. You can hear plus na beat it wanga usino ya. I think here recorder one quality ya beat yao na quality ya vocals that's go tangana. So I think umwe petrundi ya tandichibudziso rei man and ara nitwa ngora ndi modera ane beat yanga ibuye
ani what that's one because it's like a bit bitonji dome the do more Adroitbeatz.
Yeah, already it's nalanga.
So that name carries weight. Mungacho ke phone abaone
cool
carries weight
in abori na nemune. I think at his divisori brand other the Quran. I think over the weekend we go out.
Yeah.
So when I went out, this other guy when he came to me, wala muna over at the ready truth on that Drake level. Yori. Okay. The way na burufuna Adroit. Oh, as respectory. Out to the wana. We stay. You're relaxing with the gira beer. Ngombiza. So wala muna chidari. No man. Inguni Adroit. Yara. My guy, you don't. I don't think you know how big you are. Like Kitch. Radzura ramba ngai repeator kana riga guy kana rebo de benemi. Rukamba ngai. We don't think even as no son kwamba, so I don't think you know
how big
you are.
Bitwise.
Elaji dalamanda ba so banda na dzura kuro inindange. Chiro pas kuro inda sana dzura tata. Elaji ke goripini. Ni wiki. Ndichi vela mna at kuri ba week, kuri ba dangerous. Wala mna ngaba but to still like for almost 1 hour 30 minutes. As go believe or the Android. So sometimes he wait in our nadzina. Bango bakono da na beat download fab. Ndichi dibisa na track ndi abudi mara natukifuna track yangu ndimurando ai na Adroitbeatz. Atu producer. So
the beat. So
the one go jam shume bango ba and there's ngasi it.
So you also recorded like mutoda na beat downloadiwa wapo ya record.
Arali client yoda achikunyaka zvenezvo ndi automata mupazi option.
Okay.
Ndimuyera this option or I can remake this for you as exactly as it is or ndikaita yaba perfect. Mutari no ndikaifuna iso. Unazi artist ya stubborn.
I prepare any out of for I need to go kill lazy.
Una artist ya stubborn. Hezi ono tuwa. Ngomvisa ono vaya. Achipa zimwe zo remake wa RH. Kanyanga ban remake. And ngejo ngana no mugaya na offer ya wood theory. I can do this for this price. I agree you're paying 400. Oh, but you just add this much. Remake. And then after tomorrow the record remake. And no, it's fine. You're gonna pay the full price now. And then he's gonna pay.
And they have to pay.
Because what?
How long does it take you to make a beat? Like just to make one beat? Like okay, off the dome now and go to a man, go to my kick.
5 minutes.
5 minutes just to make a proper beat.
Yeah, just to make it. I'm gonna check it later for proper. Just to hear it sharp now. But if I'm there was a time I think I made like 15 beats in 1 hour.
Damn.
And all of them they sold out. All of them.
Okay.
Quick. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, done. 1, 2, 3. But when I'm working in Romeo was Chris Bang, we can even take to 1 hour.
Yeah, because I had a guy like Chris Bang will come with his melody, be like, yo, bro, I had this
Chris
machine.
Bang with Chris Bang and Romeo. There's no coming and say, let's especially Bang, even from Maduba.
Yeah,
there was no day other than a beat remake.
But like, okay, man, I have this melody. There you go.
Like okay, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. It done.
Okay. Yeah, so you create the melody and then you find okay, this is the kicking at the end.
And everything. It's a difficult process, Marayone. Over the years, mingwe pira wa think is don't know the way lori. Ndashi 4-5 days or mix a track and tea. Nowadays I can take 2 to 3 days.
Yeah.
So because and I'm always learning. I'm always checking out Majida no mix and master Majida. It's not like
yeah.
But I'm a premium presets or darao. But she did presets. The one presets last of last year. I already have 10 presets. Yeah, but it's still quality. Yeah, it's still quality.
Yeah,
still quality. Yeah.
So, do you think you have a competition around Venda? Production? Do you think? Come on, man.
I think I'm even too big for Venda to. I think I'm too big for me to be here. Like the fact that I'm suffocating to be here.
Okay.
I think one thing that has maybe brought me back, it's listening to EPI across wave.
Okay.
Hearing the quality of the sound.
Yeah, Maram.
Maram.
Yeah.
I was like, this is what I think this it's like I'm like Thanos, that scratchy Thanos. Yeah.
Okay, Ozama.
Not Ozama, he did like he brought me back. Yeah.
Like, okay, so, now I see already there are people who are coming.
So I was like, no, you know what? Yeah. And it's not about uka genre feel.
Yeah.
When a producer is hot, it's hot. I think we are feeling as about the flowers or nyinyi what just because the other doesn't mean there's a lot of producers in Aubreaction. There's a follower. The problem with them when I hear the sound, I can hear Ori home track out of Fafa. I'm going to want to dedicate all the dedicated hip beat here. They were more dangerous than this.
Yeah.
I remember there's this track Mr. Wiz, and if you Drunk in Love, you produce song nothing here out now. DJ Beats Lampardi.
Oh, Lampardi, yeah. DJ. If you
now Mr. Wayne on the track. So I was like, these guys are good. I think the only thing that they are failing is to listen to be over picky because sound. Now don't spend a search if you change it select a sound. This time when I feel studio, always in a they're online that's kind of Google. I used to chill. Is no need to change. That kushimsa speaker as DVD.
Yeah.
That you duranga hapa non. Una dafuralia la. When I let dafura la zimphone. Yeah. There. So yeah, kano na baizanari. Yeah. So that's kono udzura the whole week. Ndito uzonga ole durema abe navegenisa tambe. Ngotoko nyeshu zangu.
Niko techereza.
Jinga ngwana niko muvumu rengera phone. I want a game, focus a killer game. So for me it was that. And that's young no being when I issue mate me Nika studio entry mean. Or when I'm trying to industry venga yobo EQ. and ndiyo ni blind. So iki ndio make sure already ndiko shumisa already piano yanga ina bass and ina bass ndikotiyo kata chiti ke zviviri urisongorwa so zvambura iki iko daya chamashika la bass asala beat iko ndi clean so ndiye tundachibenga rumwe
and then good
and I started to fall in love with it. So yeah, I think they we nyana mara. I think in an experience air counter or from how long have you started and is just serious. Majita serious mara. They are not serious.
So what do you think about production here? Okay, let me start with DJ Matume.
DJ Matume is good. Naye uko wera ka ujia. I think ni adoro why is loja ba keguru at korebo bombe. Ni adoro why is loja ba keguru chidipa. Have you tested ziliwa za mkeguru na ziliwa zobiko una different. Na ziliwa za mlilo na chitofu una different.
Na mabele ona different.
The reason why ziliwa za mkeguru chidipa is because bazwi marinator namusi bashiko zibika machero. Where else bafumakazi bazvino bazvi maritenta zvino zvabikwa zvino so zvambo zviḽa zvipaisi nganguma nama chikoto jena to the core ndiri namisi nchisisina rambo ti zvozori so I think sometimes talent ichija chipinga uri blow up is because God is preparing. You're not a microwave talent. You're an overnight prepared. When you prepare achipinga chirapfu mdzimuri you need to take this 20 years. I don't care how old you'll be.
Because even if you check, even these guys when are big, I've been doing music for 10 years, but because of a newcomer now, I've been doing music for 20 years.
Some people are Jay-Z or blow up an guy. I think 2027. That's when Ashton released the album 27 years. Nowadays at least Buffett will blow up easily. 15 years is but Nichego Rachpezo blow up would they mean from that 15
because
years.
If you're 15 and then 21 you're done
because it's a microwave thing. But when you take time and prepare, you know, if I get $1 million, I'm not going to let go. Out you 1 million 500 10 already no. So now I have to do what the tendo just speaker chakare does not go chase DVD that would be crazy. So I think it's one of those things. Matumi is good. Problem your sound selection, but nowadays the touch it away. It's becoming more better and better. I think sound selection. The lot of piano piano sharp. No, trick it. Tricky or pangura reverb, pangura minamini, samu zumbi wa reverse. And the one with angoralo sound nichi sound creation or sound designer sound. I go ngona design ofana baba designer graphic ukwamba we trick kana pangala mini zi effect ya ba right. If you matanga America are dangerous
too much
baje chitu chitipezi bachi abala bana bangani sample la zwa 10 boto jange nange bastanga za chitu chiti
asumi
mara blend that track ya doom and people they don't know uri 99% wa music wa zino the sample
that's of it.
I'm telling you, you can go and play your keyboard as hard as you can. You'll never sell. I'm gonna come with the loop and I reverse and I examine yarengiwa. God, that's how I make money. So when they talk about the money is talking for me. If people are buying my product, they love it. Simplicity. You gotta beat in vocally. Let's do 50%. 50% of vocal, 50%. That's why somebody was the hit. I'm telling you, simple as that. Somebody in a Suzuki, ti bass done. Overnight, reading at 12 FC. I'm the first guy to start doing that hip hop, but they won't say it because
the whole country.
Bangasi ya the Adroid.
Question like the producer. I think Jibo, I think Chill, I think.
Jibo.
I heard
about the production. Producer and music.
Okay.
I think combo for now I should have honey.
Offer na kabe offer rola mna dubade. Problem is zuri guy na. DJ Matumi ni mtoto amesa okreke.
So
they have at church it's like chikoro bani gudisa na guma. but never freelance ndingasigume because ndipfanga rati kuita zva enough. But if you have a knowledge of something you feel like no ndizvine ndarikugudisa zvoni ndikuita enough but azvigumi. Una vathu vana masters amini but they still wanna. Bill Gates is a billionaire. Mara ukadinyaga more billions. So mutu achiima ti nezviya mumangazo uri no ima no guda no guma yochaya. Hey, okay.
Let's move on.
You understand? So I think as hola munna G-boy. I think nane achi I'm sure achitamba Kerekeni. So problem ya Kerekeni yani buraya you play more gospel than any other music. So nazvitamba you're gonna think about kombisa and na program yanu uprograma beat zviyani kwanzera nyana because no gudisa Kerekeni life you're number life. But I think Matumi now is becoming more better and better, but I think urikavola muna naye onamba akuye he was gonna be bigger. And over big and I think over big asuri ningotoba noita tutra to the serious no disrespect ori muthu adondofara 300 ndikunyanga beat ndahana atikohana uri atikuinyanga 300 ndikohana because ndikushava uwisera value yanga fasi. At least daninga entry price nendaba nayo. My entry price is 500. If you come with that I will work with you,
then we talk.
You understand? But
we talk
ngomvisa uko dana 200 but nowadays I have something to sort them out. If you have 300 I'm gonna do the piano na snare then send a beat.
Okay.
No, when you pay the other one, I'll add this going to determine the spangera after. But I think all I'm not right. I think Robana's producer, una producer zabu, una kitis.
Kutis ndego mdeva.
I am Znenda Bajone over inspired. It is because of the boy.
Okay.
I'm telling you, you wouldn't touch the boy back then. Even now, una track is na Rosita Rote. Olamuna is good. It's just that he's going through some things and some personal issues and everything. And when you deal with for the past 6 months, and it's because we all have the personal issues. Zinaweza kunyagori chunga ni vare ni time mabone ori. Because my health, my lifestyle yanga ifanoba more important than heritage. Because if I'm not healthy, there's no way. Imagine vuanda shubanda ndanga kota ndala mubiri abutamba ngo mubiri angoti yorwala
and we respond to what you're doing to the environment and I mean as well.
The reason why ni chikano kirwa kachanda mubiri wa the healer to varasa zdibi rina mibiri ya powerful especially rine bathu bathu but rine bana drivaisa imagine ndikwedera 2 hours ndavuanda na no haro nda rangazi kota zi junk food but the pain yelane ndaipfa mubiri uko react uko nibuzori whatever that you're doing it's not good. Marani are going to continue. And in Namakuwa Barabuza, affordable is bad for your health. How is bad for your health?
Last one, we move on. Eh?
Sure.
What do you think about Tien
on
good. The track?
It's good. I think Tieni Ugoro Vapa.
I think it's true. Mongotis is working, so I think maybe he's too busy.
You see, when you talent as chitu chinotodobiwa ma. And I think bachisara mzimba chini keta banipa talent bobona something came. So when you neglect it, it's nenda doando neglect music it. Ndika vara company anga dive ndika vara company anga chona chingu ndika kata chingona chingu ndika rekesana goroi anything for music.
Okay.
I can never, even if how broke I am, ndika situona ndarengisa chipikara kandari speaker and you downgrade. No, I can never touch this. If I'm broke, I'm broke. This
I will get back up again.
Tien is good. I think the only problem, and he was coming. That's the problem. All those so tricks. Maybe it's because of the personal stuff and all the stuff, but on a scale, it's Tienu good.
It's very good.
Yeah, it's good. I won't lie.
Yeah, man. Yeah. So let's get into music. Do you think you being famous ngawita the beat people are underrating you as a rapper, as a musician, as a vocalist? Do you think they are underrating you on that side but for kasangamandaka
beat
ka production?
Let me say nditisa muzika ngachikuwa te. So I would say it's the basses in when but I just pull up with my whole squad. Noba achiko do and this is somebody. Everybody's gonna laugh that. So I think I need to approach my music in another region, because if I go to Pitori, if I go to Jozi, if I any other nakazi streams, if I raka epulujina racheka most stats zanga aziwo venda ngona nikona bo Ukraine, Germany, nikona uchifi somebody yoshizamiwa 1000 times New York. How did they hear it? Wefisa somebody bachisema okay,
let me share
yakutamba guy. You understand? Yakutamba guy. So I think problem diori maybe it's because it is English, or that's why nabo una rems they're not
So let's take a quick break now. Then we're gonna back and finish this.
No problem. Or if I go to more pizza.
Oh, and we are back again. And Adroit.
For the quarter, you know, we want our money back.
Hey, you have to pay.
You forgot to say that.
Yeah, we are back again.
Yeah,
Adroitbeatz.
Yeah.
Ono the Hamburger, but the Adroit mean as long as but those come right? So we're talking about you being a musician, right?
Yeah.
Or a production.
I think
as a musician.
This is focus the casual more, and most of the time. It you I think at this one never trouble so mara what or most of the time in the Thomas trend.
Okay.
On 2020 when lockdown was strict, we was out. This is the first music video we were shooter.
Yeah.
Nga lockdown busiko empty usina mtu bada. Una masola kuchimbila. I'm telling you, Cage. Then they came to us and then barubu sorry and then murandu. Like this is how we eat. If you cancel us, my daughters and my sons and everything are going to die.
The family.
Yeah. So there was a time to go shoot every Sunday and drop every Friday.
Okay. Oh yeah, I remember.
Yeah, and nobody was doing anything. Nobody was shooting this video.
You were also also shooting
yeah. So everybody now started to say, hey, we need to shoot music videos. We need to start shooting music videos. And then Ngaela era somebody, when we dropped somebody, I think everybody now quiet vendor by that time.
Yeah.
And I could remember I could drop I think it was November, somewhere there. Like cancel and because vibe December no shika. So they cancel. And she cancel, then there was misunderstanding about what vendor EP cancel. Yeah. So out of nowhere, like January.
And the vendor EP you shoot my blind.
Ngamanda.
Yeah.
I bought a car with it.
We're gonna get into it.
So what happened with the EP in January? Ndari Zulana Majito, I know guys. I think we should drop on stage 1. But okay, so if you're saying drop it, then drop it. Stores, type everything, cover, get it done, upload. Then stage 1 for the EPF. Yeah. And then the whole vendor was going crazy. Like somebody yes to kwami but kwamba nga 3 am but kwamba nga vendor kwamba nga
I don't complain because I hate you.
Yeah.
Why you got me feeling like I hate you?
So January afira.
I remember that.
February. I think February katini. Somebody posted a video ya kumukana kuko China. Kala ntu ya samba ndabando wapi kuko China kula ukana.
The kaka TikTok ngangi.
It take off. Like
and then challenge on TikTok.
Challenge on TikTok was everything was just I didn't know what was happening. We shot na music video like shooter there was no planning.
Yeah.
We just went and shoot already.
Because you had to go with the trend.
Yeah, like let's just shoot as whatever that's going on. Shoot that thing yava. And then from there obokoda ndichunga chira bakuthumuta Contractual and all this stuff. The first deal was on vendor EP. That was a 50-50 deal.
Yeah.
There was no contract down. Okay. I hit him up, but yo man, you're too quiet.
No.
You're too quiet. Dichamba na yanga video call over Mike's kitchen apa Lois. Over Vanazonzo.
Okay.
Yo man, even ngamba na neso ndi guy. demise kitchen and control na mina I don't know ndina plan ndina izile ngimbo ndono zimwala zote the chorus na beat everything
also na
so ola muna chidai I think beat rate around 3 am na ya somebody
okay
but I had the hook ka voice note I just pull up my house cut nobody okay yeah that's where so ratongo recorda auto A recorda 3 am recorda na mean at the yeah 12 to 1 rawarogeta somebody yela verse ne yofiwa ngamfetwanga ndodzula naye ari hey verse dangerous ya mitso hey verse ko doba blind ela takara sana ndaba nayo we didn't even think or somebody is going to be
stand out on the EP
nera robalera 3 am robalera hello baby asongo mpelera mbi robalera na venda yo ni straight somebody we didn't count honestly I won't lie and now somebody is the most streamed songs all over kaka ipulina over 68,000
there's never ngabaziyamba but do music and people are going to choose their favorites out there
if those request to do a hit forget about it
you have your own favorite but people are going to choose
hitting a seat itani music no vis nana so when I'm doing music I don't care if people are going to stream or not but one day when people wake up and say we are going to the whole fucking world is going I don't know if I should curse the whole world is going to stream Adroid I'm telling you but you check a catalog boko do one catalog iyo kwata and uchitomo stream wapala that's money
and there's your tools because if you check okay so universe works in a mistress way if you check with the Mayoki he went to Idols to him it was like I'm just going to competition he did that song when they went to check on him they didn't find anything
you see
right look at now recently Romeo Dex did that challenge Dex when people go there now they find an album and then now he's getting streams whether the songs are good on them but they are listening
that's the thing I told Romeo from day one let's have as much catalog as possible when one song takes you to the top when people go to Spotify they're not going to find one song they're going to find a lot of songs
and they're going to stream and they're going to
fall in love with you because of that na starke zilaburi ngwani daringazo take them out una beats zinaburi ndikaita zonda ndikoifuna but wasifune so don't force people when you make beats when you're a producer make 10 beats every day
just
as much as the artist keep a wimbo and as beat with the skip ngoralo so even with a beat in teen no penza the vera inoni donamira ngola muno dire nga street no doesn't work like that na ziyambaro richia bangajana shoponi bone ba scrolla hothe ba jana babona muno hothe basibona china bakuchifuna same as nakamuzika do as much let people skip your song but there will be one song the whole world is going to be glued to it and that's going to open your doors so just grow your catalog
to a lot of people already like you're also a musician but almost there was but now I know that this EP recovery EP in our in the I think
2017
2016 2017 and from outside of the feel like it's a true story actually you were recovering from something
I was recovering from a car accident you were it was the grace it was by the grace of God when we survived and when I came back the funny part was after the hospital thing when I started to make beats now that's when beats are work like from me making dope beats and now wait a minute
doing work beats
I even told my mom ra mi anga nacha kunita beat mi anga varinga zina la Yesu zvikona dze I was giving up for me to bounce back from a accident Gamanda.
So that's good. No, like it was a big accident.
Because outside you won't see anything, obviously. Besides in there, you took away what a pass. It's funny now, but you took away. I don't know what I mean. Can't do dobao.
I will say
that. And after that, namzi when it happens at tingo bana chitu. No bona niko lora. No niko lora no fara nyuko zdipani. And then when you wake up you find so for me when it was like no, this is just a dream. I'm going to wake up and I'm going to be fine. And then when you wake up you find no baba.
Hospital baba.
So this is true.
This is
It was difficult. The moment you had your seatbelt on, you carried half hour na seatbelt. You carried kana hotel.
Damn.
You the glassy to tabekana hotel. Really face the chinga. Changa roda liji pas kripas la. No bana move no ni azi. Wow. Yeah. So from there, I think in Resiwa na spadala chaburin. I don't think on this spadala man. Do spadala chaburin. They said they can't do anything.
They don't do anything.
Look one.
Yeah.
We can't do anything. So I had to be taken to Mangenge.
Okay.
Then that's 25. No, that's 25. 25. Get 7 colors.
Yeah.
So from there, when I get there, I was in a coma for like from 10 o'clock until 2.
So nika coma na features over there.
No, you're dead.
You're dead. You're sleeping, like deep sleep. Yeah. Just wake up and be like, oh,
yeah, and there. Like, so waking up every day, it's the sus running out. So from me, when I wake up from there was this lady I don't know. That's what it was. Bambuzisa right now. The first question I asked was, Mutwenda wanina yo guy.
Okay.
So all I'm saying is welcome are the because after days. Yeah, because the guy I was with the pastor. It's the guy that, I used to work with that guy. So we were so close, we were like brothers.
Yeah.
So the first thing that now when I woke up I was like, okay, I'm alive. I don't care about me no more. So I need to know where is that guy. Can't even him on the other side is asking the same thing. But yeah, so from there they told me I have to go under surgery. Yeah, so I have a big scar here.
Hey, and then I scanned the phone and got baby cut off. Then just about this week so that's dinner we have.
So it was big.
Yeah.
After that, and then when you wake up in the morning, and you're voing me. Yeah, you
can't.
Skubara. I comment. Don't chamara. As just can't get bangisa. I think I stayed there from 25 until 17th January.
Okay.
Yeah. But you had 12 days in the sali. Which if you move fast that no water. No, I don't think nabafunza bashike phala. Ngela point na bori bakotobona muthu akhula thi. You like ude usually wipe mona muzlo sarene tea. I saw people come in and go. People came in but dimitiwa but discharge was not zura. To a point where I lost.
There
was one time in what your jena one time yela to your jena they just hope it was wrong. Ola mnanga ro thabiwa kazi ritso ola mna khulira avusana ping zanga zote. I think it was around 12. It's cricket is good nga stage 1 I was just watching.
Damn.
The first there. So there was a time gazi tender. I give up. I don't think I'm going home here.
But I'm going to go.
And then I will have Dr. Nguyada. Dr. Varashi.
Okay.
Yeah. That guy was angry. Yeah, what is going on with this guy? Why is he still here? Take this guy home. I'm very angry, man. This guy must go home. He won't. So from there I was cleaned to move right. Then that discharge was 12. No wonder. Okay. So when I come back, you know how they would. Yeah. And I got to test you. Good shot on the test on the Bianamina results. It is not going to accident. Oh, God, you go right to Mutu. So when home asked, I was like, no, this is the results.
Yeah.
I'm good. There's no such thing. Not only to wait because I couldn't eat.
So Yambo. Subscription,
subscription is no. This one is what it said. Adroit. We are ready to come and collect. But for now, I gotta hustle and I can't depend on such. But When the time is right, they'll call me.
So
they'll call me, and I'm gonna say I just signed a new deal. I'm the first millionaire.
number one mngana wawo sikuzina really kuchela doko breakers.
Hey, why Mara? Why society so? That's
how it is, Mara. I'm going to survive, right? So let's talk now. How is it working with Mizophyll, right? Like working with him musically overall.
I think for me, Uspana Mizo was such a big accomplishment because when I came back in 2011, I didn't understand or even rap me, honest. So I was like, it's true. It's true. And then there was a time that Pamutuangu. I was like, okay. And now this is good.
This is coming out.
Yeah, so I was like, who's this guy?
Anthem?
And the anthem. Everybody. So I went back
to those
songs, started listening to this guy. To a time watch too much and I will make fame. I was that nigga on the sideline wishing. While niggas were balling at that time, I was just wishing, yo, I wish I could work with this guy. But Mangenge and everybody, but this particular one guy.
Yeah.
So then when I was here, I was like, the dream is failing. I don't think I'll ever work with this guy. I decided to wake up in the morning and say, Mom, I'm going to Johannesburg. Or that a guy I don't care. Used to crash on a couch in Johannesburg, Soweto.
Yeah.
The first time when I get to Soweto, I met a Red Button, if you know him.
Yeah.
Meet a Red Button, played him some beats. Those guys were going crazy.
Like, yo.
They were just asking me, are you hungry? What do you need? Do you have airtime? Yeah. No, I was playing them beats in the Vrana FL studio. I want you to see, this is me. If you don't believe me, chill back. Let me make it one now for you. I don't know why I don't know what happened. But the first time you got Johnny's back, the same day, I found out I nailed out Red Button. And it was like, yo, I'm going to make money here. I'm rich. Can't the reality doesn't work like that.
Yeah.
Make 2,000 there and then... So I started to hustle. I went to, Ronaldo, Chito Zuraka Rumina Warriors na Chitu. Yeshtoba, Chona Zura Pasi.
Okay.
Yeah. Nukamburos na next. Nambeto Shudra.
Ozami,
yeah.
Apando
Pandi, to a point where Mutu Ava, the one Romeo Ferreira, Chwana Ching from fridge to anything. So for me, I had an option you already got where that were right. But
but it was
not enough. Yeah, but it was never enough. Even now, it's not enough for me to be here. But I'm here because of situation. In a community, I have to be here. You know, when you're a breadwinner and everybody's looking at you to provide, and then when you go, everybody's gonna starve. So I can't let my family starve because I want to chase my career and all the stuff. I'm going through, but for now, let me
deal with what I
if I can make sure my little brothers they go to school, go to varsity, we start work, and then those are the ones that are gonna come back here, and then I'm gonna say, guys, now it's time for me to face the world.
Now it's you to it's time for you to be the breadwinner. Let me
you understand. So for me, Uspana na feel was the most, and that is most really special of Uspana na feel.
Yeah.
And I don't have any problem with him even now. There's no problem.
You talked about the deal, right? That at the time go post okay, we have a 50-50 deal na Mizophyll. And I went on post, I was like, I have only one more to feels like I was right though.
Yeah, somewhere. And now I had the most kauchifuna madhi nori mtu wako noja ngoma chekore kai deal mtu na bana mbiru nsundinyi. I was didn't pure intentions from the word go.
Okay.
That's why the album is sound so because ndado the Genisa with everything. I want to make sure these guys.
This album is one of the best around and then.
Do you know Nigo mix and Nigo master track mbili and call emuna no send us 4. You need to remake those and
because I just send you sometimes we want to beat up you have to remake it, you have to.
There was a time I was even admitted.
So you have to remake it.
Yeah, I had to remake most of them. I think the first 10 songs we had to make them from scratch.
Yeah.
The other ones, so I told him, find studio, do whatever you gotta do. And then he did. I told him, cut the parties. Let's focus on this album. I was admitted after the album. I'm telling you.
Like,
I'm talking about being admitted to hospital. Just that it's not the things that I can post. So much things that happen into my life at posty. Or I'm in hospital. I'm not a slay king. Come on.
So nature didn't try to dealing.
No, when he knew. Remember we had the money. Vendor EP.
Yeah.
I think it was round about. It was 10K.
Okay.
It was 10,000.
Yeah.
So meaning Mizo was supposed to get his 40%. I was supposed to get my 40%. 20% ikudaka campaign.
Okay.
Yeah. So I told him, you know what? I'm going to be admitted. I need this much for me to be sharp and then go check you. Remember the operation. So when I get there, they told me I had a blood clot.
Okay.
So they gave me medicals before they can just so luckily enough after the medical is land up it's cleared you're over because in the overwork bra that's kono ushuma bato mbona bonori health you neta matwa matsuku ayingo tamba yet
kushuma
album. That's why when whatever that happened so as on kawada blind, a lot of people would say it was never about money. If it was about money, I wouldn't even not the ones when I terminate on a deal.
But let's talk about that, nah. I'm going to own some sort like to have a deal on top of the deal that you guys have. In our distribution deal. We also like
Electro Mode.
Electro Mode, right? Your distributor. So when I'm going to feel Mizo, that deal that side. As I'm going to and then we are there.
Okay.
Deal.
What happened is to be honest, Mizo ombuzangela deal.
Yeah.
I had no problem with it.
Okay.
My problem was on the contracts. You're going to do a deal that's 50-50%. You own 50% of the album. I own 50%
of the album.
When you do the deal, also tell them una contract inakoto ya kabala because bakonyaka 20%, meaning uri renere dobar ko sign a contract ikotendo yes reneba Litgang ikotendo 10% ya 50% ya renere ko ipa mean electro Mizo na ikotendo 10% ko ipa mean. That's where everything started.
Okay.
Because there was no agreement on that, and I couldn't just say and there's one as royalties there's one as I don't atukubona chitu atukubona next atukubona stats atukubona zinomboro nothing.
You don't know what's going on.
Room ya dark. I don't know. So that thing drove me crazy.
They can just wake up and be like, this is your 5K.
Do you understand?
That's your
250,000. 5K about 8D. Oh la. No. I'm not that guy. Don't do that to me. And I think nachimuchi to change about says one. I think but Vanyaza no ring of guy.
Yeah.
Check a background and one yeah, and I'm the most smartest person ever underground.
No.
So when they're doing that, I contacted a lawyer. No, as a matter of fact, I had 10 to 14 lawyers. And now I shouldn't. I'm a lawyer. My little brother is studying law.
Yeah.
My cousins, all of them.
Law.
They were calling me like, yo, they were walling like, yo, dude, team under no, we want lawyer entertainment. There's nothing that you can do. I need an entertainment lawyer who understands music. So this other guy contacted me. It's like, I saw your saga that's going on. I can help. I don't need your money. I was like, for real? I was like, yeah, send me this and this and this. So I sent it everything. I was like, Musi, hey, delay ko binder the man. If you want, hey, outing guy binder for the next 5 years, as I release music under Mizophyll's name. I was like, that's not what I want.
Yeah, because at the end of the day,
it was never about that.
It was never about that.
Don't depress, Kitch, to be honest.
It was about music.
Yeah,
like,
don't depress it because we had so many plans to and then as one of the artists that's sign up Mizo. That's why I saw the fakeness. Yeah. So that's why don't gonna fake or motherfuckers.
We're gonna free feature Mizo.
After when Mizo is gone, everybody's like, due to personal stuff, I don't think I'll be available. I was like, what are you guys talking about? Let's work. I was like, no. Then again was said, I was like to my brother, give them the contracts. Ravas contract complain, what do you mean? I mean, it's a label. We need to focus on you and you and you and you. So the only people who are left now who never signed a contract because of who? It's Chris Bang, Isaiah Everest.
Isaiah Everest.
Yeah.
Yeah, I listened to his EP.
EP of Vow.
It's very, very nice.
It's good. So those are the people that they never signed because he knew on. Even Chris Bang knows the story, what was going on. Because most of the time Chris Bang was there recorder. I used to call those guys. They used to call me every day. Album ika process. Doguma guy. But after the page.
So, but then you went on and deleted the music video, right? Not deleted, not private.
No visa. No, it's like a private.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nano visa music video right?
Yeah.
Was it from them or it was from you?
No, it was from me. I was hurt.
Okay.
And literally hurt. Some people will say, oh, no, I was hurt because we had bigger plans.
Yeah.
I'm not talking about just this plan
album and so like I can go show the project.
The plan was to make sure every month Mizo has new music or new music videos.
Yeah.
So I think from his side, and I wanted some other things, and I wanted some other things, and there's no problem with that. You wanted that, I wanted this. I wanted a contract from Electro saying, yes, we know about you, and we understand you own this much percent. So if you want to see everything, this is what you can do.
Yeah, because you also have to see, okay, I did a beat, I went to hospital for this album, so
you understand?
I have to know what's going on.
23 songs. No, let me just say 22 songs. That's how we didn't mix and no master.
Yeah.
But 23 songs, bro. Ninji. Come to me. Nga time frame tuku. And a delay is let's go to Ngabangala Electro.
Yeah.
Album re-upload ka dito.
Remember the vacant page. Yeah, vaka don't want that other platform.
If you mean Jukes.
Eh,
Jukes and HP engage. Na visa but then
vaka Jukes.
Certain data review. You that another time but review.
Yeah, vaka Jukes.
Yeah. So that was it. That was dead. Same as Zion EP. Zion EP there was no plan, but I never robbed anybody money.
Yeah.
But then after the saga cheater, he called me and said, "Don't forget if you want to I said, "Yes, I do have your money. Do this and this and this. I'll send it to you. Either just this 7 days or Eve from Dito Idebanga, and you can call me then and ask him. He will tell you yes. And I didn't even take percent company. You split what 33, and there was supposed to be a percent company, but I didn't do that. Mind you,
yeah.
And Zion EP is still making me money
because Zion EP when it came, you know that kind of but what would call down.
Moses, that EP was trash. I won't lie. With my little brother, we just had to cut some songs. Okay. As beats, we would just this and this, and then we remake the whole beats, and then that's how it sounded better and everything. But at least on that one, I'm still making money.
Yeah.
I think I don't know withdrawal 2 to 3 times.
Just to what was there, you and Mizo are fine. You're still working. You're still gonna work, and I
don't have any problem. Maybe he himself, at the day that they paid me, he came. He didn't talk to me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, the nepa.
Rotangana true. Rotangana masha. Rotangana figure Mike's kitchen dorobo.
Yeah.
They told me to come that. I said no, I'm not.
You come to me.
No, I'm not coming that side. No. I don't care about the 55,000, but I'm not.
Yeah.
I'm not coming. You guys come. Then no, we are going to Johannesburg. So on Monday, let's meet. Not on a Kitties. Okay. I told Kitties from the word go, when Phil gets here, he won't talk to me.
But you guys are good. You are working.
And then he came. He greeted Kitties and Pairs. Like, I knew. It didn't hurt me because I knew.
Yeah.
And then they paid me. I signed whatever they want me to sign for Trekela. Yes, I do. You remember? Yes, I do. It's from my album.
Okay.
That's how much love I had for Mizo. I had Yellow Trek and Younger. But he was like, I need this song. I was like, you know what? Do nice. It. Do 2.0. Take it.
Because no fun, not the chumba those. You chamba na mizone mundo. Tambas preservado za dina. Then Tambas preservado. I think we are about to finish our interview.
Yeah.
So let's just rank senyana then.
Okay, no problem.
Be back again.
No problem.
Number pages. Yeah, man, and we are back again. Mafungwa pelo no mkala.
Especially jambo na Adroid.
No so na mafungwa pelo. No there. We can go like the whole day because even on the production, there's a lot of things that we can talk about
true,
on production. But
true.
At the end of the day, we have to cut, and then we're gonna also have another interview. Those things got because so let's talk about video, right? You had a backlash on that one.
Yeah, and when
the music video is trash,
when it came out, everybody was like, okay. Okay. I still have a screenshot. I'm one of those people who trash a video, but this video is beautiful.
And I trashed it, and even though I'm saying no, but I still saw it, but like, this one is trash. Even I'm saying no, but like I even want to be like, come on.
But I think in the video, the way she was written, so it all even. So
for people to talk about it,
yeah.
Because
we market. I
was like, the one that comments at the screenshot. Wait, yeah, okay. But why is so shooting? Why?
What happened during? Like what happens with Mizo is like timing your ways always off.
Okay.
Yeah. Like they don't plan things properly.
Yeah.
Delay. Yeah. Ungasara 10 days album which was at 20.
Yeah.
And then he's gonna expect to go to Shimi as yeah. So what happened during the video you shoot here? The way you wanted it.
Okay.
I asked him this is what you want. He said yes, this is what I want. Even when I was editing, when people were trashing it, Mizo was like, this is what I want.
Okay.
This is what I love. I don't care what they're saying. Do what you gotta do. Peasant video. I edited the affair and then he was happy. And then when the video came out, if ever it was trash, it's on 100 and something K views now.
And it's money.
It's money. So people I'm sure when people say it was trash, because that's what he wanted.
Okay.
So then after the trashing, I was like, okay, you know what? Let me prove these people wrong. Let me take my time. So I did take my time and everything was out and whatever. Everybody was like, okay, video I bet. This and that and that.
Because like it even like trended on Twitter.
Yeah.
People are talking about it on Twitter. Music videos
Here's the thing that people are that they're not understanding. Reason why a lot of people or a lot of artists are failing.
Yeah.
When we try to do something, there's somebody's always going to say, do it like Drake.
Okay.
And when I do it like Drake, they're gonna say, he wants to be Drake. Now that I want to do it my own way, it's not creativity. It's not creativity. People won't even give you a room for improvement. Because and most of the people who complain, they don't even buy music.
Yeah, that's true.
People who buy music, they won't complain, bro. I'm telling you.
That's true.
People who buy music, they won't complain. Because at the end of the day, now I'm gonna shoot my videos the way I want them to be.
And you will also be improving when you're doing that.
Because if okay, every time you shoot I don't want to check Drake out. Yeah, no. Drake is become because director Drake you move requita his. Right was and mind you, we don't have big equipments like with Drake and everybody.
Yeah.
America on over cameras at 8K. So you cannot expect to record
4K.
4K. Minabori, it's not even 4K. You're going to want to say 4K or 4K. Yeah, we just had ratio miss and 4K and you to bridge watching nature. And Rabano, no, naturally they got 10K, hi, the 4K, 40K now, you're black magic, what you guys don't have 40K. You understand? And there's no people are not even supporting. How many people do Banana naturally? There's a lot of people now, but they won't even, they're gonna talk, but they won't even say, guys, what do you need?
Yeah.
So if people are not giving us room to improve, I won't even give room to listen to them. Yeah, I'm just gonna do what I gotta do. People who love it, I'm gonna appreciate. Who don't love it, I'm not money. Not everybody's gonna love me.
That's
honestly. But wadofuna chale de munamu wabengiwa. And then I don't even act like a celebrity. I'm gonna be a lion when I go to Thando. It's Adroitbeatz is like, oh la. Sure. Johannesburg, everywhere, I'm gonna act like a celebrity.
Yeah.
I'm here. They know me. They know reality, so on and so on. But still, even here, my respect is still 100%. People respect me. As it is, lift. I'm telling you. As easy to a person to come and sit with me, Kasin. As easy. Now, what watching approach for resume together, it takes them months and months. Don't text her, paragraph when I delete. It was a time I was like texted and like send don't pay your mouth or fuck. I don't know but what I'm trying to say is people should learn to give us okay video your trauma. Okay, let's see. I don't want your will. I my videos are 10 that trash than trash.
Yeah, I don't
even on music, I never digital music I was never this best.
Yeah.
I learned how to. Yeah.
When I started rapping it was
I was never like this. That time you guys are gonna love. Videos are, look at this. This is old. Look at this.
My quality on it was
R was deep. If it 2000, yeah. But we had no choice. What could you retain me? Movies are X-Men, the black and white.
Yeah, it was just like that.
Yeah, people were loving it. Also now,
because even if you check the blade, not check out if it was dangerous. The same acting storyline.
Yes,
but
quality.
Check like the way never to
but they won't give us. Picture about vendor. Venda kutoto mkando yangu tu ya petro abana million so I think so most of the time they just already make sure the comments zonombe ngai kale zachi mbai sublind zachi mbai sana I'm telling you
what about brutal
and that is semana
what about brutal like online
yeah. But nowadays when it's commented so that I laugh it's like okay cool that's how you feel it's fine
let's move
I remove it okay vimini podcast ya Mangenge ADP it's fine bitches at the man I don't rap hey no it's fine yeah
so we know ya no the word we know ya no dia panda the one who push and the with the magita like I mean the artist
yeah
music
video yeah.
So what artist
yeah
linga kono with the magita okay show man music video
but was strong about it
or ndabana go pushanga na magita
my plan even though thing to ziyambesa thi plan yanga nduri as much as you're a content creator the content never go creator do you know ori zvingaba zwithu zvulwane nga manda zvavudi arali dzi content creators dzavenda dza tangana right achituchiti instead of ni opera nyi rekorana poverty. I think our first enemy it's poverty. Ndiyo nenda kuti isuma nga minwe not ndisumbe bona uri ndijena ka podcast ndijena ka podcast zabo ndabona zwithu even though umwe ndiko uzofi Adroitbeatz line afana I watch and I ati sikunenda ngari yathi yambenga no every human being has a way baneba bona sithungayo and I was not biting let me explain to you. I was not biting when I say niliwe Romeo niliwe dzedzemani kamitengo kabusiyane nanga beating ngasifare
and then mongwaro wori niliwe dokofara others mitengo and others like the line are similar
they are similar they are all the same and I heard it from him first so for me it was like I loved that line and the way I love this line I can take it and use it but I'm gonna use it in my own way because I love it that guy's music and there's a lot of people that they are follow muziki wabo
that means nothing ngokaka numbers
I
heard and you know the story behind the story behind I was like okay
so that's the thing before we can do anything else I think the most nabo nendo no feresa zone mbuchironi if I ndafo chifi manginga obakhawuri let me call him bro ndafo chifi instead of chabana yell out but be a real person and a bigger person call the person mnani kufazwa so rikovenga na venda risadizo rikovenga na mi kitch
too much
rikovenga na risadibi because bone bakota zvabudi ene nezvikumbarera nikuti vavenga you're talented more than me so I have to hate you bruh I know I can never be a singer like Ramsey
and the thing is even if Ratkwamba ngadingo the producer for let's say Matume let's say if you guys may be in the same studio doing beat together that beat can be una idea where
you know why
you have an idea when you meet
the reason why music wa America it's keep on growing and evolving they work together
too much
rinerna pride yani ya 0% it's now naturally the pride
I mean if a guy like DJ Khaled, he's big because of the people that
you can't no, he pays. She gets paid for that. I think Rajino opened a question R. Rajino is never going to just have a vendor. And I make sure that you everywhere, everywhere in the morning, everywhere. Lead Zamang and there's a total do together. If you say, Naboneka Bombuzur Adroit, don't even know $300 petrol, no for $200, Lasan, not dollars.
Yeah.
As much as the Kunya Gobaka, your show. And as much as you want, when you say Nyaga, and I have to meet this guy halfway. That's why as artists in I meet them halfway. Let's try by any means necessary usa ulwanari neba chumara rewena poverty.
Yeah. Because
when you get $100 ndan chatunda ndaipo la munda chatunda papwana rote koyola. Arakoya kotana $1 rote. Anando do abangwatele nya $1. So I think the one thing shinara kochimesa banondura kulwa ngachaborine. West part but vendor kulwa ngachaborine nduri atomfi nyinyi 8 minutes. That's why I need to so regiriki why asanya guamba ngachivenda. That's why Elaine asanya guamba ngachivenda. That's why all the isolator. Why?
That's why even like and
as music and I'm gonna chamba chivendo do chamba ngara chikoni. Yeah. Na korimini na atini divuri ni korimini because uko chuwa jinera bazone.
Yeah.
Rebed for nebane like riko compete ngari nebane. Why?
There's no need for competition.
Bro, riko run poverty. Nani kasi jipendo nani ko to dia mzika ngorimi. We want money, all of us.
We want it.
And the final go mean is because you wanted to podcast. So let's not act like no, Aubrey needs me. There was a time where I wanted to call you Lara. This guy I got a friend of the serious. I don't know petrol do damura nai. That the plan budget and the let's do that. If I have to call Racha or anyone and say, yo, bro, I want to come through and we make music, let me call you. If you say no, then say no.
It's good. I don't know. So
most of the time, is dealer because you want to sponsor, but ambitious entertainment this is what we need. I mean, we know that they fuck people up, but nenda yana proper work na lawyer you understand?
If you are clever, like Black Diamond, they were doing an interview, they just said, bro, our papers are clean. They didn't do anything to us because we
had everything figured out.
When they said, hey, we're like, oh yeah, come on. We gave them what we want.
I'm telling you right now, there are people who, there are people who try by any means necessary to block people to come to me.
Yeah.
And I don't have any problem with that. That's no problem. Najo.
Because now it's also going to be expensive. Like,
do block a move.
I'm sure if...
Reason Gucci. Whenever for Chief Gucci adura. So whenever I say about tomorrow, but Tiba Vuabar require Gucci store.
This one way to met. I didn't go and check my mind or my
theory. I'm
yeah.
But have you ever asked any artist to come, Ori? How is it to
have they ever called you, hey, Android?
Kunyaga this much.
Kunyaga beat in the 500 and the 500. And then you talk and be like, nah.
Because you're going to call me, when you talk, go first. But you for 500, we'll calculate 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it's fine. Come. I don't need stock to do this.
Yeah.
I'm going to use my talent. That 500 is going to help the studio. It's going to help to keep the lights on.
Yeah.
That's what we need. But collaborator, YouTube,
too much.
I'm telling you.
Too much.
And the collaboration, subscribers that's how we grow. When people go to watch this, some people are going to be from my channel. Some people are going to be my friend who's going to watch this content.
Who didn't even know me.
And you make sure someone's subscribe. You don't need to pay when you subscribe. You don't pay anything.
I remember telling it's not long about the views.
No.
It's about the content.
The content.
Because the thing is,
do you know how many?
Whatever can do 100 views in it.
Yeah.
There are 2 people who never they know you now.
Do you know Uriba to America? Most of them they upload 1,500 years video page before they blow up.
Yeah.
Rene re-uploada 10. After this music video, YouTube get over 20,000.
Yeah.
Do you understand? 1.5. Consistency. 1.5 videos. But I'm alone. Go to determine. So I'm going to shoot a music video. Go shoot a there's going to be a camera. I'm going to shoot a videos.
Yeah.
Ow. That's why I don't have any videos out there right now. I call boys or hey boys, I shoot it. Because I'm feature about not take your vows in a smooth criminal. I was not there. Not a producer and not the younger. Call those boys or hey, we need to shoot a music video. They ignored me. I was like, gents, are you ready? Like and then they're like, Adro doesn't take us serious. So they don't determine. Yeah. I'm trying by any means. There was a time I go shoot an about there was a sponsor church called Badera and I go shoot about this music video for free. People back hana.
Damn.
But they were not ready. And but we need to come together as one. This is not about nowadays. It's not about money online. The people are making 250,000 online.
Yeah. One of the hours of the Badenge online.
250,000. Yeah. I'm living off my royalties. Zika, as productions, as producer, YouTube, whatever. I'm making money from there. Now, no post I make more online. But to apply those things, they make money. I make 10K, 15K. It's money.
Too much.
But people don't know that. Do you know Urmakazi Angabana website? Yeah, was just Gino. Enough you apply Mishimokai. She can make 1.5 million Gadua.
Now website here of it. 3 money music she can do that.
A lot of money. Yaranazi ads.
Too much.
They are paying a lot of money. These people they don't care. They want to give. These people are like, listen. They are paying me 10 rand. I'm gonna give you 1 rand. Come.
Let's work.
Let's work. Because if you get 10,000, I get 10,000 times 10,000.
Yeah.
I make more money. If you make 250,000, don't worry, I make 250 million. So I'm gonna give you. Come. But we are not ready for that. A conversation are to be ready now, your vendor, your music and the business are to be ready. And the day we're gonna be ready, it's gonna be too late.
Yeah, we're going to the musical performance.
Are to be ready. And there's a bone. Mjingamanda.
Because ndako check na banga baimbe hapa, like I just went to some rolling on the way was check and banje ba venda ba ona like they're not there.
And even though to asi oda hauna ka streaming. Ngambori meske oncha rimbo professor lini. Obuya zvino na metro akozamori awe people no bro, you took time to do, you took time.
And the dobaru we foot.
Imisana musazi zvino restaurant. Nijishuka ni monoro doba. Just you take that as much as imunichi kwata ara ningo treat zvimwe yaboni shoponi. That's how everybody is. Nendi cha shoponi ndisukanda check reaction yanga ari ndiko service anga slow ziyani. That's we sakani no oro. Zvambona that's how people they feel about me if I'm not then if I beat on Friday and yamfuka. So problems as you know. Never now online. I don't have anybody who's shooting me. There's so much content. My little brother is a beast when it comes to the contract, no proposals, business and everything. Yeah. We are going to attack everything now.
Okay.
Everything. We are going to doors. We are going to kick doors. That's why I'm saying I'm going to be moving anytime soon. I'm going to move on Epitor.
Yeah.
To kick doors. If it's Kalawa just we're going to get this. No. Don't worry. We don't want to sit here. Give us 100K. We're going to give you these products.
Yeah.
Ambitious. Oh, you don't have a producer. Don't worry. We have beats. Because if we don't do that, they won't come. It's gratis on as guru. If you want to shoot music videos, if you have a proposal, you're bambiring, ashka ibara manager, they want to, mara. It makes sense. But we're not doing that. About shoot a video on it. Hey, dear shoot. Content guy. Let's create content, guys. Yeah. More music. Yeah. As much as we don't care or 100 streams. Maybe Janapal Nichoni go to 500 streams. Go! The attacker, yeah. 500 streams times 60 songs. Yeah. That's money.
So, I've got a bunch. There's a lot of content. I think we just have to come back, right? Because the Mangenge.
You're going to run up part 2.
Part 2. Yes.
Can't take travel this time around.
Yeah, as long as sharp, but as long as content episode called that, you know, they do a part 2, so sharp, some goes in because I feel like Namanda production, you know, we need to talk. We still have to talk about the state of production around Venda, and then we can educate a lot of people. They are young guys, and then we start, I don't know if you know that guy,
Adroitbeatz.
Yeah, Lil P.
I'm loving that.
So I love inspiring the kids.
A lot. The message that's WhatsApp. I mean, some of them they are overwhelming.
Yeah, and we need to talk about those those kind of stuff, you know, like and like there's a lot of things that we need to talk about. Talk about Chris Bang, we need to talk about you mixing.
Don't move up films. Don't do that. We are not fighting. Don't do that. We are making money, all of us.
Yeah.
We don't move that. But he was talking because I was Zamshumo, and I had no problem with that. I was not even angry or something. I was just angry.
It have to inspire you.
Yeah, okay, I was angry on the side of comparison. Yori, I think u compare na zori, but create the inner peace enemies. Really inner enemy. Then it's one is like Ziwan Doer. Actually, Aubrey. I'm telling you, catch it. What dollar muya? Catch Ziwan Doer, man. But I was like, no, man. But no. He's been in the game for too long. It's like you know, compare producer and Chanane. You know, Adroitbeatz has been in the game for too long. Yeah. So I don't have to be angry. I just have to go to Kwatangam. Yeah. Then Kwatangorado.
No, there's a lot of things to go to Banga, Vanji oh, yeah, Bamafungo, kind of podcast. I'm already taking oh, yeah, that guy in a combo to see well to make beats and then in a move, there's no stories in a visibility can so, like, no, there's a lot of news to talk about.
You know what? I think, when it comes to WhatsApp, no, I'm about, I fail. A lot, I won't lie, because I'm busy.
Too much, né?
Too much. You can see my list there. Those are client lists. These are my daily lists. These are my schedules. These are my artist schedules.
From 7 to 4. Don't worry, you up.
Do you understand?
Yeah.
So imagine you're saying, I want you to teach me how to make beats, and the client are calling me. Which one do I have to do? Yeah. Honestly, I can't. I won't lie and say, ignore. It's because of Mushumo. Ignore. If I can ignore my girlfriend, so it's that. Even my little brothers were going to busy. There's so much that I need to do, but some of them I can't do them. Litgang in TV. It's me. My little brother deals with the draft. He's very good. That guy can get me 30 million deals. Yeah, you understand? He's very smart. That guy can get you 30 million.
That's the problem with Easy SA, because Easy SA, we had a brief interview with him because from the load shedding was on now we're done now. Yeah. We're done.
This is the last one,
last conversation. Yeah. So I was between him and us and Litgang.
No, he was not communicating with us. He was not communicating. You can expect communication is the key. Yeah. You can expect between everything, but things were not coming back. Okay.
And it was not coming also.
It was not coming.
Let's record.
Nothing. Okay. There was no communications. Nobody was talking for 6 months. Nobody was talking to me. Yeah. So I had to cut. Chris Bang was coming. So who was special? Who was special between Chris Bang and Isaiah? Isaiah used to travel from Bloemfontein, Ayayani. Also, 3 days or more. That's how we recorded that EP. Damn. I recorded Awis and I mix and I mastered that as BT EP have. So what's the difference between these two artists and others? But special, no one is special.
Someone is like making time.
So Savannah, and I don't have time for that. I don't have time. When I done studio, no. Yeah. You signed a contract.
Yeah, man.
You didn't sign a babysitting contract. You signed you know exactly what you need to do.
Work.
You have to work. Some of Vapa. Yeah. And if your numbers are not making money to us, we're gonna cut you off. That's the contract. Every contract it says that. Yeah. We're gonna cut you. Listen, since you're not making money, we're gonna give you a chance. We're gonna pay 50% for your studio time. You're gonna pay 50% for your studio time. Or you can cut the contract and pay 100%. You just choose which one.
So that means there's no go buy the full price.
Yes, true.
Okay.
Now it's a bigger story. Now they want who owns the masters of Now and Then. Let's leave it. Who owns the masters?
Yo guys, like I said, it's 1 hour 30 minutes right now. Like we got the hour change. There's other things to do. On opinion, I go after
No, this was important. This was very important.
So we have a lot of things to talk about.
Yeah,
We still have to talk about Romeo. You meeting Romeo, Kiss Bang, because those are your friends. They are your artists.
Especially Romeo is my brother.
Isaiah Everest. We still need to talk about that because Romeo also talked about you on his interview.
Romeo is my brother.
There's a lot of things to talk about, man. Like
so many deals that's because of him.
You see, so we need to.
And one thing about Romeo, me and Romeo, we are not greedy.
That I know.
Yeah,
he's my.
Yeah, we're not greedy. If we get a bag, we share. He knows.
That's how it is.
And we don't share. He knows a lot. How much there? 20. Going penny 8. Ni JO 12.
Yeah.
And that's exactly. And he knows already. That's why he knows already. Don't bless up on everyone.
Yeah.
Now I know the. Don't bless anyone.
So I think we're gonna have another one. I don't know when, but we're gonna have another
anytime.
one.
I can come. I don't mind.
Right shooter, and then we start from the scratch. And then
make sure please everybody come on ni subscribe to keep the lights on. Please one subscriber keep the lights on. The ads are born, so skip the ads. As much as you watch ads at TV, Naza YouTube is very important to watch. Please, it keeps the lights on. Camera as well on Arabs and the ads.
So last one, if you were just like to the people until we come back with the next one.
The last one is who owns the masters. That's the last one.
Yeah, who owns them now and who will own them then?
Yeah.
And guys, the game is not done, but that's done in the next one. Now, let's just cut here.
I think I'm gonna be the first guy or interview about so the other one, don't worry. I'm gonna since you guys came, I appreciate the way you know that. Now I'll come now.
No problem.
So we won't do the date in Ambuza, then I'll come through. I love driving to Tando, man.
We have Ritadi on Sunday, so you can maybe you can come and.
Which Sunday?
This Sunday is 14.
Yes, 14.
Yeah.
Cool.
So maybe
cool. Ariam, but more on WhatsApp. Yeah. No, no, for
maybe then I go sign a little. Then I go sign a Litgang.
No. We are out.